Hey, how you doing? I'm in Marietta right now. I am getting ready to ride my 5th route for the Ohio Windy 9 here. I'm going to start my route in Marietta, Ohio though. I will have a GPX file for this, so if you're interested in that, stick around, stay tuned, and let's see if I can get lost or not. Right now we're on State Route 7. Just getting ready to leave Marietta. And there's Steamboat down there. A little bit of a foggy day, wouldn't you say? Today is September 20... No, September... I don't know. I think it's September 30th. The last day of the month. Yeah, I think that's right. We are going to make a right on 550 West, which is a fun road. A lot of color for the end of September, in my humble opinion. Alright, check that out. Am I finally getting rid of all the fog this morning? Here it is, 9:36 local time. Maybe I'm going to get a good day. I mean, it's been a good day, but maybe I'll be able to see now. I simply love this section of 550 heading west right before it intersects with State Route 377. Okay, I think I jinxed myself. Not 15 minutes after I recorded that clip, I've got fog again. But this section of road right here, we're going to have to backtrack on. That's the way they have the route set up. Okay, as we come into Athens here, you can do several things. I believe the route is going to get you on 50 to bypass Athens, which makes sense, but if you need any gas or anything to eat, you might, I mean get on 33 and go east, is what I mean to say, not 50. But if you want to eat, and I highly recommend Obetti's Red Hots, just go into Athens that way, and you can do that. Even though I'm starving right now, it's 10:20, and I don't want to wait on Obetti's for another 45 minutes to open. So we are just going to go up here, hop on 33, bypass the town of Athens, and then get on 50 East, I believe it is. Thanks for letting me merge. Appreciate it. You're all right. We have a left exit only for 50 East. If you change your mind, you can always get off there and go back into downtown Athens to find anything you want to find. We're going to be making another left exit here on 329. Gville, I think is what they're calling this. I think that's the name of the little town, even though it's not really a town. But you do have gas. And I'm not sure if I've ever been on this road. I don't believe I ever have. So this will be a first for me. I've stopped and got gas there many times over the years, but I'm not sure if I've ever been up this road. You know what? Yes, I have. One time. But boy, was it a while ago. Yeah, because I remember this. Yep. We are now in Stewart. This part of the road I have not been on because the last time I came up this road, I turned down 144 there and went back to 50. So this will be a new experience. been a good curvy road so far, just very bumpy. Ooh, dirt. You see that? You see that? I know, pay attention to the road, right? Definitely getting that fall smell in the air now. Tell me what you think in the comments below. Should I do more of that 360 stuff? I don't know, it's just kind of hard to edit. That's one of the reasons I don't use it as much as I should. Tell me if you like that view. I know one view I hate is Tiny Planet. Ew. Like promised, this brings us back out to 550. And unfortunately back towards that construction. And here's the intersection where we came in, 550. Now we're going to go 377 north, which under normal circumstances is one of my favorite roads in the area, but it won't be today because it's going to be this and grooved pavement. Here we are in the thriving metropolis of Chester Hill. Let's be honest, show of hands, who really likes riding on this garbage? But we have the junction of 555 right here, which is a very popular route among motorcycles in Ohio. And if you remember, that was the first one of these roads that I did. We were actually going to go back and get on that road for a minute, or yeah, it's that way. But for right now, we're going to make this turn here on High Street. See the sign, Triple Nickel Diner? I hope it's open. Oh, I see bikes, so it looks open. This wasn't too bad, all things considered. I just got a simple burger, fries, and a root beer. It was $14, so even the prices aren't all that bad. Right now, we're just headed south on 555. Going to be making a turn up here. I'm just not sure how many miles down the road, and right now I'm just taking it kind of easy. Just trying to let lunch settle a little bit. So I'm doing a whopping 45 in third gear. So I'm really hitting it hard here. Okay, that didn't take long. Here's my turn, 676. We are going to make a left turn. And the sign says Watertown. This is a road I have never been on, so another first for me. Ooh, look at the gravel. Be careful on this intersection. Wow. Just so much color, and it's not even October 1st yet. While I've got a little bit of a breather, and the roads aren't ridiculously curvy, but holy moly have they been ridiculously curvy so far. But this road has been very narrow. I mean, I know nothing ever shows up right on GoPro, but this road is narrow, so be careful. There were some really sharp corners back there that could come up, well, that if you were hot and heavy and hammering on it, would come up really, really fast. Kind of like this. I saw the sign, but wasn't expecting it to be quite this sharp. And I was flapping my gums, and then you got all these wet leaves. Yeah, not a road to lose a whole lot of concentration on. Wow. Oh, go squirrel, go. There has been several, slipper clutch, of these hairpins on this road. Yeah, downshifted a little quick back there. Back end just jumped a little. Oops. Alright, thanks for watching. If you would, please smash that thumbs up, mash that subscribe button, share it, throw a comment down there. I try to reply to everybody. We're going to end this video here. We are not too far out of, yeah, what's the name of that town? Marietta. So I appreciate you watching. I hope you like seeing the Pioneer Pass, and this road 676 was an absolute blast. Okay, fooled ya. Bonus content. Remember this bridge at the very beginning of my video? Well, you can actually see now. You can't see the boat down there, but